dancers, that is Richard and of course Rosaline. They try to show you some move steps from the Acholi tribe from northern Uganda and South Sudan. And yeah, we are really so happy to be with you all here tonight. Sorry we don't speak French. I don't know. I'm just going to say one word, bonjour. And very safe. I hope that you do right. Thank you, enjoy, and yeah, enjoy your evening. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. See you guys next time. Well done, great job, everybody. Katsu, Tiki2, and the team, everyone.
Nice.
Yeah.
Show them.
Paris, you know, Paris, very. Yeah.